My husband bought this ceramic headlight restoration kit by Cerakote, I believe is how you say the name. He said it worked really well, which you'll be able to see before and after pictures at the end. And he videoed him doing it so that you could see the process and how well it works and everything. He said it took about 10 to 15 minutes per headlight to complete. And also to note, the after pictures at the end of this video are after he completed the final step, and then he let it sit an hour before he took the photo so that you could really see after it was done, like curing and all of that. As you can see from the results, it made a tremendous difference and it's super easy to use.